Welcome to Cafferati Studio. We started this YouTube channel last year during Diwali because we needed yet another place to celebrate original works, poetry, stories, and song. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and your encouraging comments and emails always keep us inspired. So inspired that we also got onto Clubhouse. Thank you, Aarti Punjabi, who's in Bombay somewhere. She helps me organize the Cafferati Studio Clubhouse space. Thank you to Kathil, who's hiding away in the wilderness somewhere in Africa, but he manages to bring together our Facebook and Instagram pages. For Balkaran Sidhu, who does the Instagram pages. I don't know where he is right now. Also, thank you, Hussaina, for editing all these wonderful videos that everybody suggests and sends. If you want to participate, send us mail. The details are given in the description down below. And while it rains outside, let there always be poetry inside.
था एक कागज कोरा सा, कुछ धब्बे रोशनाई के, उमड़ते आरजुओं की खलिश, कुछ ख्वाब रिहाई के। एक निगाह पलटती हुई, पर्दों में सिमटती हुई। एक निगाह पलटती हुई, पर्दों में सिमटती हुई। कुछ इनायत हसरत की, कुछ पिंजरे दुहाई के। कुछ इनायत हसरत की, कुछ पिंजरे दुहाई के। डूबती हैं ख्वाहिशें गिरने से उस निगाह के, फासले में दर्द के, हौसले करार के। फासलों में दर्द के, हौसले करार के। परेशान है कहकशां, दिल मिले संभाल के। परेशान है कहकशां, दिल मिले संभाल के। दौड़ न जाए फिर से ये लम्हे चंद विसाल के। दौड़ न जाए फिर से ये लम्हे चंद विसाल के।
चंदा। ए चंदा, चाय पियोगी? जी बीबी जी. Chanda's muffled reply came from the courtyard. She was sweeping the angan with firm, energetic strokes. The dried leaves, twigs, little pebbles, all remnants of the andhi last night. Her thin frame almost swayed with each movement. She kept her jhadu on one side and walked up to the steps leading to the kitchen. Mehri came out with some water in a steel jug. "Arey, udhar hat ja," Mehri said sternly. Chanda adjusted the faded cotton dupatta tied around her waist and smiled. "Arey, marti kyun hai? Dal pani." Mehri dropped water hurriedly as Chanda washed her hand vigorously. A thin stream of brownish water trickled down her hands. "Get some more water, na?" The Mehri snorted and walked off. Mrs. Verma strolled in and called out, "Annu? Arey Annu! कुर्सी डाल दे आंगन में." "क्यों रे चंदा, चाय पी तूने?" "No, बीबी जी. Misri has not given it yet." "What to say for this Misri? I tell you Chanda, only I get such haram khors in my life. कोई ढंग का काम नहीं करता है यहाँ. Come, sit here. Tell me about your daughter. She must be 16 now, na? Why don't you bring her? She should start helping you now. You're getting old," said Mrs. Verma as she settled with a thump in her aram kursi. Chanda sat on her haunches a little away from Mrs. Verma. "क्या कहूँ बीबी जी, जवान लड़की है. She's too pretty for her own good. The pan wala at the corner is one, and even that Prakash, the one who works for Jamshed Babu." Mrs. Verma perked. "Jamshed? That's Sillu's son. How is he?" "I haven't seen him since years. I tell you, I've always liked him. Very simple boy, na?" His brothers are the wicked one. That Fali and that other skinny one. What's his name? Manik? Chanda nodded in agreement. Haan, Bibi ji. Jamshed Babu is really nice. He gives me tea every day. Sometimes he gives me bread also. Hurry, you know, Bibi ji, he keeps the bread in the Godrej Almira and he keeps biscuits and nuts also in the Godrej Almira. Mrs. Verma smart. अरे पारसी है ना थोड़ा सा. And just because he gives you tea, you say he's nice. What do you know about it? I tell you, Chanda, you're very seedha. One tea and you are floored. The world is very cruel, very manipulated. I bet he makes you broom his angan every day, andhi or no andhi. And here I give you tea every day. And did I give you some puris also to eat yesterday? But nah, you will never say that Verma Bibi ji is very good. Nah, never. But you will say that Jamshed is very nice. Arey nahi Bibi ji, Chanda said. You ask the Panwala or Sain Bibi ji or even Chadda Bibi ji. I always tell them how kind you are. You let me sit near you. You give me tea. You even gave money once to buy red bangles. अरे रहने दे, मेरा दिल ही ऐसा है. अच्छा, tell me about your Chandni. Chanda smiled. चांदनी नहीं बीबी जी, तारा. अरे ठीक है चंदा, तारा चांदनी all same ना. Chanda smiled. She's very liar, Bibi ji. She does all the household chores. I'm now looking for a boy for her. I asked Mehri and Misri and even Annu, but they say they don't know any suitable boys for her. Bibi ji, you have seen my Tara. She's so pretty. Her hair is so thick. Her choti is so fat. She's slim, and Bibi ji, she can read little bit Hindi. And everyone in my community says that she sings like a nightingale. She's very pretty, Bibi ji. Mrs. Verma smiled. Arey pagli, all of us find our children beautiful. And from where can I find a boy for her? All my staff is of a higher caste than you, na Chanda. Chanda's face fell. That's true, Bibi ji. But can you not ask Sahab if he has someone in the office? ठीक है Chanda, Mrs. Verma said brusquely. Mehri, chai la de ise. Mrs. Verma moved her heavy body and slowly walked back to her room. Chanda sighed. What to do? God had only made her a Jamadar, na? Why blame other people? After all, God only made them, the other people.
A word that doesn't come out right is the one that starts the fight. Said in one, taken in another context. Henceforth, don't talk, just text. I'll be waiting by the phone's screen, heart aflutter and thumbs twitchy. Emoticons provide an easy subtext. Yes, let's not talk, just text. Unshadowed by tone, let the meaning prevail. When windless our words set sail. Neither you are lost, nor am I vexed. If you don't talk, just text. Inattention is never a bone. Eye contact, no matter of pride. When presence goes, voice goes next. So I tell you, don't talk, just text. Cool as us, under the sky of separation. And of course, when we're together, love is a given and needs no pretext. Unspoken words are after all just text.